Hello friend, welcome back to our holiday. On today's video, I'm taking you to explore another important landmark in London. The London Bridge is an important landmark in London. The bridge was built in 1973 and it is the oldest road crossing location over the River Thames, and it has been featured in many movies and TV shows. You can walk across the bridge and see the TowerBridge and the Shard and much more. It has amazing views from the old side of bridge, and also you can take a boat ride on the River Thames and see the bridge from different perspectives. London Bridge is a great place to visit for a day out in London, and I hope you guys enjoyed our walking tour, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video and leave a comment and let us know what you thought about our video, and see you soon on our next holiday video. Bye.